I'm still testing out these floors, and I've decided I've got a razor blade and a little handheld scraper here. And before I put any spray on at all with the cleaner that I decided to pick, I'm gonna go over this tile here in the corner first with the razor blade. I'm just trying to work on the top section of that. I know I'm not going to get all of it. I go in little small areas, overlapping as I go, flipping my blade across. You see that pass, I only went about an inch, about 3/4 of an inch. I didn't go the whole blade. And that's helping cut it. And just around this outside I have some cleaner, and that's really taking it up pretty good. So see, at that point I can put some spray on it and let that set. And in fact, I'm going to try different things here. I'm putting some on it now and seeing if I can scrape any little bits more before I let it soak in. Okay? I got plenty of razor blades if I decided to do this. You've got to realize, you always got to think, is there a different way to do this? I'm gonna end up getting at the store maybe a 6-inch wide blade. It kind of looks like a razor blade. It comes with 10 blades and a small handle, and I'm gonna try that too. I haven't gone to the store yet, but I'm just trying this first. Because the thing with the wider blade, then you've got to keep that down all the way up the surface. If you have any imperfections on your floor, a smaller razor could be better than a bigger razor, let's say. See, I'm having to put too much pressure on there because I sprayed this on here first, and I haven't let it dry, or I haven't let it soak in just yet. Okay. Some of it's coming off, and I'm having to work too hard on it. So I think the ticket's going to be maybe to hit it dry first, and then spray and let it set for a while, scrape it again, or I might spray it first. You know, I'll do different tests. I'll spray it first here, let it set, and then come back with the scraper. And see, once you get going, you can have 4 in a row, let's say. And here, let's see here. Let's get you resituated here. I can work on 4 tiles. I can scrape 2, spray 2 as those are sitting. I can scrape on 2, spray those, come back and start another section here, maybe half a tile, and then after I know this is set long enough, then I can start scraping on this, working my way this way. Start from left to right, or right from left, whatever's easier for you. Then as I'm cleaning this one and wiping it down and scraping a little bit more and brushing a little bit more, these tiles have already been set up, so then I can go to the next one, and then I can spray the 5th tile, then the 6th tile, as I'm going from the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th. You don't want to do one whole area and then sit there, okay, now what? I got to sit here for another 10 minutes twiddling my thumbs while I'm doing nothing? No, just keep working on your project and go in a nice smooth flow. Get your sweat pouring. This will be a good little workout for you. Okay, so I'm gonna saturate this, and I'm gonna come over here and do this next tile. I'm just gonna work on this a little bit because I've got some razor blades here, and see how well this is gonna work. before I go to the store, because I've got to do enough testing so that before I go to the store I think, okay, I'm going to need another one of these wire brushes, or this one's not getting in the corners, I need to get a small one. I need to get 2 or 3 more of these depending how big my project is. I'm going to have to get some more razor blades. I'm going to need to get another handheld thing like this because I'm going to get a helper to help me with this, and I want to make sure I have a couple of these and another hand scraper thing and more razor blades and all that kind of stuff. Okay? Think about your project.